Hello, here we are going to solve for the difference of the complement of set M and the complement of set L. See how this problem reached these results. This is all about sets. Here, we are going to solve for the difference of the complement of M and the complement of L. We have two set operations here. We have the set difference and the set complement of both sets M and L. As you can see, we are going to solve for the difference of two sets that are non-original. In short, they are already derivation of the original sets M and L. It's because they are now complements of those sets. In this case, let us try to solve first the complement of the two sets, set M and set L. Right after then, we are going to subject whatever the results here using the set difference to get the final result. But before we go to that, let us try to remember that when we are solving the complement of a set, we are going to refer it on the given universal set. In this given example, our universal set is a set of letters or is a set of X such that X is a letter in the word family. Again, it's a set of letter in the word family. We could know the correct elements of this universal set but by writing it in a form of a roster form. And we are going to list down the elements, the letters in the word family in any order as long as there's no duplication. We start with letter F. Then we have letter A, followed with letter M. Then you have your I, L, and finally you have your letter Y. This is the roster form of the universal set here. And out from this, we can now solve for the complements of both set M and set L. It is because when you talk about set complement, we are going to list down the elements of the universal set after removing the elements of the intended set. We know that the elements of set M are the elements M, A, I, and L. If we're going to remove all of these four from this original set, we can crash out A because it's there, M because it's there, as well as I and L. With this, we are left with elements F and Y, and this should be the content of the complement of M. We have here the set containing F and Y. This is for the complement of M. As for the complement of L, we are still going to use the same universal set. Again, we know that the universal set is a set containing the elements F, A, M, I, L, and then Y. In order for us to get the complement of L, we are going to remove from this universal set the elements that are found in L. That actually includes I, L, and Y. What remains now are your elements for set or the complement of set L, which includes the elements F, A, and M. Now that we are done with the two set complements, let's finalize the result for the complement of set M less the complement of set L. Take note that if it's a difference, we will be removing from the first set elements that can be found on the second set. The result of the complement of M, this should be elements f and y. But since we are going to subtract elements that can be found in the complement of L, which are elements f, a, and m, we remove the element f. In this case, the final result for a difference of the complement of m and the complement of L is a unit set containing the element of y. This is the result for this given problem. Whether or not you're a student who likes math, a student who wishes to understand math, or a student who loves math tasks, you all have something in common. And that commonality could make you as our next subscriber. Subscribe now.